Hi there, aspiring coder. Welcome back to Excel with Python. Today we are going to tackle one of the most popular queries from people who are just getting started with coding, which is which programming language should I learn first? Okay, so with many alternatives available, picking your very first programming language can be a little overwhelming. Let's examine the top languages for novices in 2024 and determine which one best suits your requirements. Today we'll examine 4 widely used languages, which are Python, JavaScript, Java, and C#. Every one of these languages has advantages and particular applications, so let's take a look at Python first. With good reason, Python is frequently suggested for novices. It's well known for being easy to understand and straightforward, which makes it a fantastic option for beginners in programming. Python is widely used in data science, data research, artificial intelligence, web development, and other fields due to its versatility. Python might be the very first option if any of this piqued your interest. Python is easier to read and write. It's very great for web development, data science, and artificial intelligence, and it also has a large community and loads of learning resources. JavaScript is the next topic. It is imperative that you learn JavaScript if you have any interest in web development. JavaScript is the foundation for web development, and it also lets you make dynamic web pages. In addition, you can create server-side programs and mobile applications using frameworks like React and Node.js. JavaScript is very essential for web development. It enables interactive web pages, and you can use it for both front-end and back-end. Now, let's move to Java. Java is a long-standing and extensively utilized programming language in business settings. Because of its well-known cross-platform portability, Java code can execute on nearly any device that has Java Virtual Machine installed. Java is a good option if you want to create Android applications or a large-scale applications. Java has a strong object-oriented programming features. It's also widely used in enterprise and Android development, and it is highly compatible, which means you can write once and run anywhere. And lastly, C#, which is Microsoft's language. It's a flexible programming language that can be used to create web apps, window application, and Unity games. C# is a language to think about if you want to work in Microsoft environments or even build video games. It is ideal for window applications and game development. It has a strong integration with Microsoft technologies and very powerful features for enterprise level applications. So how do you choose? Here are a few tips to help you decide. Number 1, purpose and domain. What is your objective? Online gaming, apps, web, or data analysis? Python and JavaScript are 2 programming languages that are very good choices if you are working on web application. Number 2, ease of learning. Some languages are beginner friendly, others are not. For example, Python and Java are easier to learn because they have a clear and easy to understand syntax. Number 3, job market. Are companies hiring for that language? Consider the demand for each language in the job market. Python and JavaScript, for instance, have a high demand across various industries. Number 4, support and community. Are there tools, libraries, and even community to help you? Look out for languages with strong community and plenty of resources. This will make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. And lastly, acceptance and trend. Is a language growing or fading in popularity? Recall that the language that keeps you inspired and eager to learn is the ideal one to begin with. Acquiring proficiency in one language makes learning others considerably simpler. So go ahead and begin coding and have fun while doing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.